How to sleep on time every day. Tips and tricks. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about tips and tricks for healthy living. In today's video, we're going to talk about a common problem that most of us face, difficulty in falling asleep on time. It's essential to get enough sleep for our overall health and well-being. Therefore, we have come up with some effective tips and tricks that will help you sleep on time every day. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. First and foremost, it's important to stick to a sleep schedule. Set a fixed time to go to bed and wake up every day, including weekends. This routine will help regulate your body's internal clock and make it easier for you to fall asleep and wake up on time. Tip number 2. Create a bedtime ritual. Creating a bedtime ritual will signal your brain that it's time to sleep. It could be anything that relaxes you, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. Make sure to avoid using electronic devices before bedtime, as the blue light emitted by these devices can disrupt your sleep. Tip number 3. Avoid stimulants. Avoid stimulants such as caffeine and nicotine before bedtime, as they can interfere with your sleep. Also, avoid consuming heavy meals or drinking alcohol before bedtime, as it can cause indigestion and affect your sleep quality. Tip number 4. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Create a sleep-friendly environment in your bedroom. Keep the room dark, quiet, and cool. Use blackout curtains to block out any light, earplugs to reduce noise, and a fan or air conditioner to keep the room cool. Tip number 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and improve your sleep quality. However, avoid exercising close to bedtime as it can stimulate your body and make it difficult to fall asleep. Tip number 6. Seek professional help. If you have trouble falling asleep on time despite trying these tips, seek professional help. A healthcare professional can help diagnose and treat any underlying sleep disorders that may be causing your sleep problems. So there you have it, our top tips and tricks for sleeping on time every day. Remember, getting enough sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being, so make sure to prioritize your sleep. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to getting the quality sleep you deserve. If you have any more tips or tricks, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.